Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to show you where to find the OBD-II or diagnostic port on a Toyota, and this is going to apply to basically any Toyota from 1996 and newer. So first of all, right here, open the driver's door, and of course you don't have to take off the driver's seat, but if you look under the dashboard right here, you can see this white connector right here. So right here, this is where you connect an OBD-II scanner, like this YOUCANIC scanner that we have here. You plug it in right there, and then you'll be able to figure out why your check engine light is on, maybe erase those codes once you fix the issue. And you can also diagnose ABS airbag, but you'll need a scanner that can access those control modules. In this case, this scanner will only do the check engine light. But that's all, very simple, and thank you for watching.